am Dr. Lambeau. The key to successful Forex trading is to have a good command of candlestick charts. I will give you a detailed introduction on several reversal patterns next. Reversal pattern can be classified by the number of candles, like single candle, double candles, and triple candles. More candlesticks usually indicate a stronger trend of reversal. Let's start with the single candle reversal pattern. Doji. A doji is a candlestick with only upper and lower shadows and without a real body. It forms when the opening and closing prices are at the same level. It graphically looks like a star. Generally, a doji means the power of long and short arrives at a balance. There are different types of the doji, each with its own meaning. They include the long-legged doji, dragonfly doji, gravestone doji, and four-price doji.